Dear students, I hope all of you are fine. I'm also fine. I am going to give you a class on transformations on affirmative to negative. I hope if you listen my class very carefully, you can solve your problems at the time of changing affirmative sentence to negative sentence and negative sentence to affirmative sentence. And it is very important class for the students of 6 to 10. Dear students, now listen to me. I am going to make you understand. You can see on the book that affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. If you have only or alone in affirmative sentence, and that the changing into negative, you will have to use none but, nothing but, not more than or not less than instead of only or alone. Dear students, I am going to give you example on this. If you have the sentence only he can help us, there is only, so instead of only you will have to use nothing but, none but, nothing but, not more than or not less than. You should bear in your mind that if only indicates any person, then you will have to use none but instead of only. If only indicates anything, then you will have to use nothing but instead of only or alone. If you have, or if only indicates any figure or quantity, then instead of only you will have to use none but, nothing but, not more than or not less than. So I am going to tell you again. If only indicate any persons, you will have to use none but instead of only. If only indicate anything, then you will have to use nothing but instead of only. If only indicates any figure or quantity, you will have to use not more than or not less than instead of only. Now I am going to give you example for each. Only he can help us. Here you can see that only indicates the person he, so you will have to use none but. None but he can help us. You can see here that I have used only, I have used none but instead of only, as only indicates he is a person. I'm going to give you another person. Another example. He gave me only food. Here only indicates thing. So you will have to use nothing but instead of only. See here. He gave me nothing but food. I have used nothing but instead of only because nothing only indicates food. Now I am going to give you an example. If only indicates a figure or quantity. She was only 5. If you have this, only indicates only the figure, so you will have to use not less than or not more than instead of only. So she was not more or less than 5. You can use not more or not less, one of these. Dear students, I hope all of you have understood. If you have only or alone, what do you use here? Now we are going to understand the second rules, must. If you have must in affirmative sentence, you will have to use cannot verb then present form of verb, or cannot help then ing with present form of verb instead of have plus present form of verb. Now I am going to give you an example on this. We must obey our parents. You have must here instead of must. You can write here we cannot but obey our parents. Or we cannot help obeying our parents. Now listen to me carefully. If you use here cannot verb, then you will have to use the present form of verb. You can see here present form of verb. If you use here cannot help, then you will have to add ing with present form of verb. And you should bear always in your mind. At the time of changing or at the time of using a right form of verbs, you will have to bear that after cannot you will have to use present form of verbs, and after cannot help you will have to use ing with present form of verb. My dear students, I hope you have listened this very carefully. Now I am going to make you the third rule. If you have had to in affirmative sentence, you will have to use could not help then present form of verb. Sorry, could not help then ing with present form of verb, and could not verb then present form of verbs. Now I am going to give you an example on this topic or on this rule. We had to leave the place. We had to leave the place. Instead of had to, why we have to use here we could not but leave the place. Or we can use also we would not help leaving the place. Now dear students, you can see here if you use could not but, then you will have to use the present form of verb. If you use could not help, then you have to use your ing with present form of verb. Now dear students, I have completed already here 3 rules. I have taught you already 3 rules. I hope if you be very careful to understand or carefully listen it and practice this at home, then you can solve your problems. And next day I will give you the next tools on the transformation of the sentence affirmative to negative. Like this way, if you have in negative sentence none but or nothing but or not more than or not less than, you will have to use only or alone instead of this none but, nothing but, not more than or not less than. If you have cannot but or cannot help, that in negative sentence you have to use must then present form of verb. This must is modal auxiliary verb, so after this modal auxiliary verb you will have to use your present form of verb. And if you have cannot, could not but or could not help, then instead of could not but and could not help, you will have to use had to. And after had to, you will have to use your present form of verb. Dear students, you listen, practice this very carefully, and I hope all of you will will be able to change affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative. Goodbye, and this is your homework for next day. Bye.